it's Sia and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make the perfect almond butter that is creamy, smooth and homemade. Now if you've ever been shopping and went to look for almond butter, you may find that they're actually quite expensive because the average price is around from £5 to £15. And if you think about that, that is actually quite expensive for a small jar. And one day we bought almond butter that was around 170 grams, and when I came home and I tasted it, it was horrible. So today I'm going to solve that problem. Alright then, let's get started.
First, we're going to grab 300 grams of almonds and we're going to place them on a parchment lined baking tray and roast them for 10 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius. Once your almonds are out of the oven, let them cool down for a few minutes. The next part is easy. All you've got to do is add your almonds to your Vitamix, add your lid and your tamper, turn on the speed to 6 or 7, and then just start to blend for around 2 minutes. If your blender starts to overheat, pause it, give it a break, and then start blending again. If you're wondering which Vitamix I have the Vitamix E320 and it'll be linked in the description below. However, if you would like to see a close-up to my Vitamix, then I've also made an unboxing video and I'll leave that in the description below. You can store it in a small jar or container and it will last up to 1 week. And there you've got a delicious, smooth and creamy almond butter.
So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video about how to make almond butter. As you saw, it's really easy to make and that's why I recommend you guys to make it. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because then you'll get notified whenever I upload a brand new video. Alright guys, bye!